Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. Today we're going to make this blooming flower pop-up card. Here's the finished product. As you can see, you sort of close it and then you open it up and it creates a nice little cute bouquet. This is a really versatile card that's not too hard to make. You could use it for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, sympathy occasion. So there's a lot of uses for this, and it's super cute and has kind of a wow factor without that much work. So we're gonna put this aside for now, and we're gonna start. So I have various pieces done in various stages because it does take a little bit longer to make. So the things I use, I've tried different glues for this project, and I found that while tacky glue takes the longest to dry, it holds the best, and the other glues like rubber cement, a double-sided tape, and glue dots, all of those sort of, depending on what kind of paper you're using, tends to not hold as well. So I like to use tacky glue for this. Okay, so first we're going to start with the cutout. Now, ideally, I've used cardstock here, and it's a little bit stiff. So if I was, the ideal paper to use is probably a lighter weight thing, maybe origami paper or copy printer copy paper. I think that's a little bit more flexible. So what you want is something that is not super stiff. It can sort of open easily. So I've done this on the Cricut, so I'm not going to go into how to make this cutout without a cutting machine, but either way you arrive at sort of this general shape with 7 different petals shaped.